on the beat.
Man, I feel like these niggas be sleeping on the nigga, man. Man, we gon' fuck them up with this. Wake them up, bro. Yeah. These niggas, Fuck these niggas up one time. For real. You ain't get no money, nigga. Tell me what the fuck you doing. No matter the circumstances, gotta keep on going. Gotta keep my distance, cause it suit my face, you're going. No, I heard these niggas sleeping on me. Bout to wake them like alarm. Wake them up. I'm bout to wake these niggas up.
Alright, welcome back. Today we will have the unboxing, the installing, and a review of the roarpedal throttle response controller. I took it out the packaging already, but we're going to see what's in the box. Alrighty, this here is, I'm guessing, the part that intercepts, that connects the pedal. Yes. See what we all have in the box. Alright, you got the little device here. I have the Bluetooth model. You have the little device there in the box. Set that down. Got some more stuff underneath. A roarpedal. I guess a little decal. I won't be using it. Dropping stuff down. Alright, and this right here is where you will plug this in it, and this right here is your connectors. Right there. A couple of zip ties. Couple of sticky thingies here. I'm guessing it's for the actual controller, the wireless screen controller. Let's see, open that up. Give me a little struggle there. And I went with the red one. And it's a little wireless thingy. Let me see, can I get it out the box? Oh, it's got me struggling. Alright, there we are. USB-C for charging. I'm guessing it's like the power button or whatnot. Oh, well, comes with a charger. That's great. A couple more sticky pads and some more books. All right, we're gonna head out, feed to the RAM. That's where I'm putting this in, and let's start the install. All right, we're out here to the old RAM. Excuse the floor. I would say it's a little dirty, but it's a lot dirty. But you follow your accelerator up, and that clamp right there is what you will be attaching. And that is what this will be plugging into. All right. So I have that loose. This little piece right here up front pulls directly out. It slides out. As you see how I have this pulled out on the connector, how that's pulled out. It pulls out the exact same way up there as you see it's pulled out. So this part here will attach to the top of your accelerator, and this part here will go into that latch up there. And oh, another thing I forgot to mention, you have to have your vehicle shut off for at least 15 minutes. My truck's been parked here for a couple of days. I ain't been using it, so had that part cleared already. And don't forget to plug in your piece that goes on there. So I'm going to do that now. Be right back. All right, have everything hooked up, and the pieces I have it tucked up under there until I'm able to find me some longer zip ties. The zip ties is giving me problems. I was trying to get it in this spot right here around this little hole. But the thing about zip ties, they're ridiculously straight when you need them to be bendy and curvy. So have that hooked up. I put my controller right here. Since I don't have, it's really dirty, I gotta clean this thing up. Since I don't have a trailer brake, and if you plan on doing the same thing in your Ram, if you mount it in the same spot, make sure you pick it up kind of high so you won't block your port. All right, let's see, can we get this thing programmed? All righty, it says before getting started, make sure that we're in accessory mode, and then we have to hit a learn mode. It says enter the first interface by holding the M button for 5 seconds. So we're gonna do that. All right, did that. Do not press the pedal on the first. Press the negative button. Get a 3 or 4 digit number, typically between 7 and 1200. So let's do that. Oh, don't know if I did it right. Or did I wait too long? I think I waited too long. Oh, there we go. Oh, gotta fail. So I went off camera and did it and started acting right. Don't know why I couldn't get it on camera, but it's still the same steps. You hold the M button, press the negative button to get a reading between 7 and 1200, and then you depress the gas pedal all the way down, and then press the plus button, and then it programs itself. So I guess we had to do a couple test runs here. Right back. All right, guys, put the seatbelt on. Have it installed. I have it. I know you can't see, but I have it in Sport Plus level 5. I'm gonna turn it down to level 4. Cause I think that's about where I'm gonna need to be at, and pull out here in the yard and see what it feels like. Trying to ease on it real quick. All right. Guess I'll open it up. Sure nothing's coming. Alright. Alright, nothing's coming. Sport Plus. Traction control off. Let's see. That's all I need there. Won't be needing any race mode. I'll tell you that much. That's more than enough. Sport Plus 4. Hope my neighbors don't mind if I turn around in the yard. Yes, that's more than enough. Wow. Yes. It is. Oh my goodness. You can feel it. The throttle response is ridiculous. Let the one down a little bit, so. And I have mud grips on here, thick mud grips on here, 33 by 12 and a half. I don't have all terrains. These are mud grips, and it's turning them over like street tires. Whew. I'm gonna have to give the throttle response controller the roar pedal. I haven't tried any others. This is my first one. I'm gonna have to give it a 10 out of 10. Now, I'm just in Sport Plus 4. I'm not even gonna try any of the other modes. That's way more than enough. And I guess that's the end of the video. If you guys like it, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. I have more updates coming soon. All right, sorry about that. I know you guys didn't hear it, but I received a phone call right in the middle of my recording there. But if you guys like the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, please. And have more videos coming soon, more mods and things for my vehicles. If you haven't seen the Cadillac, I will have that video pinned down below because I have more videos coming on it also. Thank you.
Wake 'em up. I'm about to wake these niggas up.